Now let's solve this problem. And the major question is to work out the number of green pens sold. So let's take note of the colors of pens we have here. We have black, we have red, we have green, and the ratio 7 to 3 to 4. Okay, so next I'm going to form an expression to get the total number of packs for each pen. So the first one is black pen, that is 7x. Next is red pen, which is what? 3x. And last we have green pen, which is what? 4x. So next thing I'm going to do is to form an expression to get the total number of pens for each. Okay, so the first one, if there are 2 pens in each pack of black pen, that is what? 7 times 2 will give me what? The total number of pens I'm meant to have what for the black? That is 14x. Next is what? 3x, that is 5 pens in each 5, that will give me what? 15x. And lastly, I have for green pens, which was 6 pens in each pack. That is 4x multiplied by 6 to give me what? 24x. I hope you're following. Now I'm going to form an equation, okay, to get the total number of what pens sold. Please take note, a total of 212 pens were sold. So that means if I add up all this expression form, I'm meant to get what? 212. Okay, that is 14x plus 15x plus 24x equals 212. I hope you're following. Fantastic. So next up, I'm going to what? Add up, pick my like time. That is 14 plus 15 plus 24. That gave me 53. And that is what? 53x equals what? 212. Obviously, you know what to do next, right? Good. I will divide both sides by 53. Okay. So the first one here is what? 53 in 53 is what? 1. And how many times can 53 go in 212? That is obviously what? 4. So I've gotten the value of my x. Okay. But we have not solved our final question. And the main question here is to calculate the number of green pens sold. So we're going to go back to the expression formed earlier for green pens, okay, which is what? 24x. The 24x is for the total number of pens. So all I have to do is to substitute, remove the x and replace with what? 4. I'm going to be substituting 4 for x. That is 24 multiplied by what? 4. I hope you're following. Fantastic. And this will give us what? 96. That is 96 green pens sold. And this is the answer. I'm sure you've learned something in this class and can't wait to see my next class. And until then, bye.